Whew. Barely fits. Yep, so this is the first thing I think I ordered for the car. Row plate, super easy. Tow hook location. I think this looks so goofy being right there. This is the other thing I might want to do today. You should be able to guess what that is if you're familiar with the common mods. This is a super disaster from the Super broke down when I drove it to work earlier in the week. And I came home and grabbed a bunch of tools, tried to fix it, couldn't figure it out, had to get it towed home. 10 out of 10, not a good time. Here we go. It looks like they drilled on the bumper. There's 2 holes on each side holding it. Yep. Come on. I get some people just, I mean, this was a Georgia car, I think is what it says on the Carfax. So, all right, it's taking too long. But it is what it is. How bad is it? Oh. I mean, it's screw holes. I can try and like heat it up and smooth it out, but it sucks, man. Yep, that sucks. Like, I saw this online and I saw that the only 2 places to screw it on essentially was 2 holes on each side. It goes into the grill, fortunately, and not like the front bumper or something, but it just sucks. All right, so I did this before. Yeah, but why I like this kit and bought it again is because it gets super flush with the bumper. Unlike a lot of other kits, they'll have it like out here looking goofy. That is on there. The red dot is the bottom one. That's what it says. But yeah, you just pick the angle of how you want it to be on there, and it just conforms to it. So before I do that, it looks pretty decent. Let's see. We'll put this on top. I don't know what difference it makes, but it says on top. Red dot on top. Alright, so it looks, yeah, so you can see you just push and pull it and it changes the like the angle of it. And then you see the 3 holes. Gonna line that up here. Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe I'm just used to being here for my last G80, but this, as soon as I ordered the car, was the first thing I ordered. Oh, I thought it was like rubbing on the car. I was like, damn, my PPF. 2. It's funny, I was on YouTube before I came out here. I was trying to get the baby down to sleep, and I see a lot of people still picking up G80s. They're still the, well, G82s, G80s, G87s. Still a hot commodity car, because I got mine back in 23. I don't like how close that is. So I'll put that there, and we can just adjust the plate ever so slightly. Just don't want it touching the car at all. And that's crooked. Yeah, super nice kit. You can see it keeps this thing, you know, millimeters away. That might be money right there, actually. I'm gonna snug it down. It's good. I don't think like Loctite or anything like that's necessary. People like, bro, just don't run a front plate. Nah, I'm good. I have to go on post every day because I work, because I'm in the military. And going through the gate, they look at your registration, your inspection, and if you have New York plates on the front or back, they expect both. If you don't, they will pull you over right then and there, making you late to work, and it's not worth it. It's just me. I used to care, I used to be hardcore about it, but just make the best of it. This isn't a daily, so let's see. Yep, that's it. So I remember I didn't like how much this went through. Like it was like almost touching the car. Yeah, like not too bad, but it's a little close, which means this one is definitely gonna be like looks like stupid not having it there though. Yeah, so I had a Korean plate which was bigger, so I just drilled holes through it, which I guess you weren't supposed to do, but they told me after I drilled more holes. So I just took a US plate, put it on top, and drilled through it, and it was like barely the gap so between the sensors, but it worked out. I don't mind if I was in like a European country, like the long style one that goes right here, that breaks up the look of the grill. I don't mind that at all. That's gonna touch for sure. So even if I tilted this more this way, this one would get closer. I mean, it's still, you should push on it enough, they knew what they were doing. It's a little close for comfort for me, honestly. Both of these, like, look at that plate. Just because the plate flexes a little bit. Probably just run this like this for now, and when the other plate comes in, I'll have a plan and swap it out then. Mod 1 is done. Much better than in the middle. Even those 4 stupid screw holes, we'll probably try and smush it a little flatter than that. It's not horrible because it's black. Yeah, like no one's gonna pay attention. Let's clean it up a little bit. Should be all right. All right, mod 1 for the G80. Good. So next mod, super simple. Can you tell before opening the box? All right, so if you don't know what that is a skid plate for the bottom, oil cooler guard, I guess most of them call it, to protect just that. Let's see if we can get a quick look. Alright, so factory design. Oil cooler guards just exposed, just hanging there. If anything bounced up here, which is what got me paranoid the other day when I was driving and something went under the car because I couldn't avoid it. It wasn't big, but I was like, man, I need to get that on. If something hits that, I'm done. But really easy, a bunch of 10mm bolts. Oh, I'll get that going. Mishimoto makes a really good 3-minute video. Super easy, not gonna bore you guys. Yeah, that's it. It looks pretty good. Simple. Nothing huge is going through there. Better than that cheap mesh that I saw that just kind of covers it, but it only bolted, I think, into like it holds over here or something. It was literally just like a chicken screen that chicken wire that you could have got. Like you could have made it for 20 bucks and it was $200. So this got scraped up. So not bad. Rock solid. I like it. All right, last one for today. Let's see. That's gonna look good. Nice little to the side. Yep. So I was like, I'll do gloss black this time, and then I think when it starts looking rough, if I want to keep it gloss black, I can just paint over it easy, or I can get it painted body color, which I've seen some cars do, so get it all white, all Alpine white, and that looks really good. So, all right, there's that, and boop. So it's a couple of days later. Unfortunately, the lip install did not go good. Honestly, this lip quality was just junk. I tried the same day I started. It wasn't going good, so I thought maybe I just need to take my time, you know, get under the car, raise it up higher so I can see. But the fitment is just junk. Like, I understand this tucks on it, but the front piece keeps lifting. I mean, as soon as I put it on and I saw that, like, the gap right here that I'm supposed to screw this in, but here, let's see, yeah, you can see the big gap right there. How much longer it sticks out than the bumper. So it's like that on both sides. And then when I put the middle piece of the lip, because it's a 3-piece, it was probably out to like here, and I had to like smush it together, try to use screws, like relying on double-sided tape. I ultimately decided like that was a waste of money. I'm not putting this crap on my car. So for now, no lip. Searching for a simple style. I think I'm gonna look for like I don't think I really see a 1-piece lip for these, but I'm gonna take a look, see if I can find one. If not, you just gotta get a higher quality one. Preferably gloss black, and then yeah, we'll go from there. But we tried, it didn't work out well. And okay, this looks really bad, but it's because there's double-sided tape. I took them off, I just put them on really quick so you could see. But I mean, this fit on the corner pretty well. Same thing though, like look at that, the gap between the panels. I just don't want to see hardware or janky looking stuff. And I see it online all the time of, you know, people saying their lip doesn't fit great, or whatnot. You gotta just pay for the quality ones. And I had it in here, pulled the front end, and was trying for probably like a good hour just to mock it as best as I could, even without the double-sided tape. And yeah, it just didn't work. So 2 hours, about a couple hours, 2-3 hours wasted trying to get that to fit. But now we know it's junk. Get a better quality one. And yeah, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.